Hi guys, quick tip for you today on making monkey fists. You may have noticed before that when you are wrapping your cord around your monkey fist jig, that you get little kinks in your rope, so that when you go and try to tighten it down, it's harder to feed through because you've got a half turn in your rope that has to fit through the knot. It's kind of hard to notice sometimes on paracord until you're tightening it down and it's too late. So I've got some nylon webbing here to illustrate. So if we go and make our monkey fist how we would with paracord, we just start wrapping it around without readjusting our hold on the rope. We've got a lot of twists in our webbing. So again, like I said, it's not really noticeable in paracord until you try tightening down your knot. But here it's very obvious. And so instead, when you start your monkey fist, if you do a half turn each time, just kind of have to readjust your rope. Then it's going to lay flat for you, and it'll be that much easier to tighten. Thanks. See you next time.